Good evening, class. It's an honor to share with you the speech entitled The Powerful Learning Strategies, Metacognition. Have you heard the latest trend, Metaverse? As June came to an end in 2021, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg told his employees about an ambitious new initiative. The future of the company would go far beyond its current project and to build an interconnected world metaverse. Instead of getting you logging to his company's products, Mark Zuckerberg wants you living, working, and even exercising inside them. Soon after, Meta became a household name. Along with it came another term, metacognition, which plays an important role on both learning and working. Now, let's find out what metacognition is and see how these skills can help us learn and achieve the best. Metacognition is the ability to think about your own thinking. Meta means beyond, and cognition means thinking. So, metacognitive skills involve reflecting on and regulating how you think. Having this skill is essential for improving your productivity and effectiveness at school and at work. When you apply metacognitive skills, you are better learners, better at organizing and evaluating your thought process related to learning and problem solving. Now you may ask about the best time for a person to cultivate these powerful learning strategies. Metacognitive skills typically start developing during childhood and allow individuals to learn different school subjects. These skills continue to grow and evolve throughout the teenage years and into adulthood as individuals move from educational to professional settings. Metacognitive skills typically fit into three categories of learning process: planning, monitoring, and evaluation. Now let's talk about the first one, planning. In the planning phase, individuals learn to ask what they want to learn, what knowledge they can use to help them learn, what they need to focus on to learn, and what time frame it takes them to learn. Then it's monitoring. The monitoring phase occurs throughout the learning process. During this phase, individuals ask questions relating to how well they use information, whether to slow or quicken the pace at which they learn depending on the project's difficulty, and whether they need to seek additional guidance to help them learn. Then it's evaluation. Evaluation is the final stage in metacognitive process. During this phase, individuals ask whether what they learned could help them in other areas, determine the weak areas where they need to do additional work, and reflect on what they could have done or should have done differently to maximize their learning experience. When learners learn to think about their own thinking, they are more capable of self-improvement. To conclude, metacognitive skills can be learned, practiced, and made into habits in order to improve learning, studying, and thinking skills into the future. Equipped with these powerful learning strategies, we can learn and achieve the best in professional and learning performance. Thank you for your attention.